स्क्रीन में तो लगता ही है, बट ऐसे सामने से तो कुछ ज्यादा ही खूबसूरत लगता है।
मैं क्या करता हूँ, लोगों को पर्सनली जाके मिल लेता हूँ, एक्टिंग आके छोड़ देता हूँ। मैं बस लोगों के घर पे नॉक करके हाय कैसी हो, so I just sell more tickets I think eventually in life.
I don't know that, but
पहले बहुत मोटा, बहुत परेशान था अपनी लाइफ से, फिर उसका एक्टर बना, फिर से मोटा हो गया, फिर परेशान हो गया, अब जाके पतला हूँ। So I think that's why you're enjoying the way I'm looking right now, but thank you for that.
anyway choice, मेरी वाइफ तो एकदम हाई हो गई है, अब सबकी हो गई है। चलो अब 2 क्वेश्चन पूछ ही लेते हैं अर्जुन
बस
सर
दो
से।
ही ना।
क्या पता अभी वहां से कुछ कोई पूछ ले, बट नहीं, 2 ही है, to be honest. Okay, now Arjun, how strongly do you feel for these topics and the messaging we want young people to understand?
Yeah, I think anybody that is living in society today, and not only within our community, जैसे आपने कहा बड़े शहर, छोटे शहर, ये सब एक सेकंडली हटा देते हैं. I just feel I think in Juhu, if you go out right here, also all these topics will still be taboo in discussion. कुछ घर पे होगा कि बात कर सकते हैं, कुछ घर पे होगा नहीं कर सकते. वो जब नहीं कर सकते, वो क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्या वो सोच विचार की धारा इतने सालों से बनी हुई है उन परिवारों में कि आप तोड़ नहीं पा रहे हो? As a child, do you not feel confident that you can sit across your parent to speak about sex? Because आपकी एवोल्यूशन वही से हुई. अगर सेक्स नहीं होता तो आप या नहीं होते, वो भी या नहीं होते. So relating is a small thing. It's not about that. It's about I wonder. मैं सोचता हूँ कि I'm very lucky. I was able to sit across my parents and talk about things. I'm open enough to talk to my sister about her life. I have a lot of sisters, and in all these stories, like when you speak about a boyfriend that's behaving a certain way, when you speak about hiding something that you're going through, it doesn't always have to be deep. ही नहीं होता, कुछ भी हो सकता है. आपको लगता है कि सोसाइटी नहीं समझेगी, क्यों नहीं समझेगी? Why should you become different because you're going through something? When it comes to somebody who believes in premarital sex is wrong, why is it wrong? I said, why are we not talking about these things to understand? आप अपना नजरिया तो बताओ क्यों? ये क्योंकि समाज ने बोल दिया इतने साल पहले, इसलिए गलत है? ये तो जायज बात नहीं है. क्योंकि लड़की अच्छी या बुरी तब नहीं होती when she's had premarital. If you're a consenting adult, you're allowed to do whatever you want. If you're a curious young person, you're allowed to do what you want. It's a free life, and you should be able to have your parents and the family members understanding that this is your time to discover and learn. Of course, we can always tell you our experiences, so we can prepare you so you're aware. But a lot of people don't want to talk about their own experiences because they feel scared about them. So an elder person might not tell the young ones around कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ था. So you're aware. You will learn out of conversation. आप कैसे सीखोगे या समझोगे कि यार एक बॉयफ्रेंड या एक पार्टनर आप पे अगर when there was that film Pink, no means no. If somebody has, God forbid, been in that situation, if you don't want to confide in your friends, in your community, and tell them मेरे साथ एक चीज हुई, आपके साथ कभी ऐसा होगा, you should be able to move away from that. How will the other person become more knowledgeable or more understanding or feel safe and secure कि मैं आपसे आके बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं इनसे जाके बात कर सकता हूँ? बात करना गलत कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. To relate to a topic is one thing, पर उसको अपने अंदर दबा के रखना is pointless. So all these topics, consenting adults having different issues on sex, a man believing that if a woman has had sex, she's not looked at a certain way, that's stupid. But we have to understand why that man is feeling that way. We should be able to explain to him that you do what you want is right, what she does is wrong. How? What is the logic there? If you're not well, how do you feel that you will not be shunned by society? Why should you be shunned by society in today's day and age where you have the best health treatment coming forward? If your parents and your family members and your friends cannot help you reach there because you are feeling scared, and why do you always care about what people think? We should do what is right for our people, the few ones that you love. If you can't be open with them, it's point to zindagi. So any topic beyond this also. I mean, when I see the music video also, there are so many topics in that music video. It is about the choice of your sexuality, the way you want to dress, the way you want to be, what you want to speak about, what you don't want to do. Why should it always be that we have to follow norms? These norms were set by whom? By us. तो कुछ साल पहले थे, आज दुनिया अलग है, आज समाज अलग है, आज सोच विचार की धारा अलग है. So we have to learn to be open. And the biggest problem is the more we are growing, the more we are getting close. Because हमको लगता है कि हम कुछ छोड़ देंगे या कुछ छूट जाएगा. You know, we lose something. Why should we lose something? Why should we lose something? Why is it so wrong? It's absolutely fine to be flawed. It's absolutely fine to have a thought that you might be confused about. I'm not saying it is wrong to be. It's not wrong to be afraid, but it is wrong to use that fear to walk away and hide. The fear and the feeling of afraid is very normal. मेरी आज पढ़ रही थी तो आके बैठ के बात करें. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं भाग.
Correct.
When situations arise, you have to have people around. You have to have some confidence. You have to have the ability to believe that other people will understand. I feel safe in this environment because I know I'm speaking to a demographic that understands me. Perhaps I would not speak so openly to another. Why is that? Because unfortunately, and I know it's a very long answer, मैं भाषण नहीं देना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन
I don't know, we're all yours, literally. I think वहाँ पर सारे लोग बिल्कुल गौर से सुन रहे हैं और I think ये बहुत important point है कि conversation करना पड़ेगा. मैंने आपको पहले ही कह दिया, आप सामने से ज्यादा खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं, तो that's not very problem. उन्हें आपको पहली बार देखने को मिला है, तो या.
हम बहुत अच्छी तरह आसानी से बोल सकते हैं, we post something, we tweet something, we speak about it and say we relate to it. But how much are you doing within your own community? How much are you doing within your circle is the question. वो दिखावा है कि मैं रिलेट कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आपके घर पे कुछ होता है आप सेम रिएक्शन देते हैं. वो प्रॉब्लम वो है वहाँ पे होती है कि तीसरे के घर पे हो रहा है, नहीं यार उससे नहीं करना चाहिए. अपने घर पे हो जाए तो कैसे हिम्मत हुई तेरी ये करने. That's being a hypocrite. That's वो आप you're not actually open to things happening around you and being the same person. आप किसी और की लाइफ देख के बोलते हैं वो लड़के ना बहुत गलत है. कल को आपकी बहन किसी के साथ डेट पे जाए, इसकी मजाक कैसे हुई? Why? We always tend to, when it comes to us,
We are in a way a little bit hypocrite. But we have to be okay.
we tend to forget that we have to be the same when we relate to something and then we do it in our life. एक चीज होता है कि मैं बोल दूं कि हाथ साफ करने चाहिए खाने के पहले, और फिर मैं हर रोज खाना खा रहा हूँ बिना हाथ साफ किए. It's exactly as simple as that.
And actually, whatever Arjun has said, and the most important, the crux of it, what I have understood is, we should start the conversation. You should not depend on people कि कोई और बात करेगा, उसके घर में बात हो रही है तो आप ही शुरू कीजिए, right? आपको लग रहा है मम्मी पापा नहीं सुन रहे, आप ही conversation शुरू कीजिए, break the taboo.
वो इतना आसान नहीं होता, वही प्रॉब्लम है. And I think somewhere the youth is still ready to talk, but we also need our older generation to be open to listen. To just sit across the table and have a conversation. I'm sure there are a lot of people here who would be thinking about that कि यार ये तो बोल रहा है, जाके बात करो, उधर रैप्टा पड़ जाएगा सीधे.
Absolutely, तुम्हारा social media बरगद से बहुत Instagram पे हो, बहुत यहाँ हो, वहाँ हो,
I
correct.
think a show like this or a conversation like this at this age we can speak about it, but we also need the other people from the other age groups to come and listen and understand and perhaps pay a little attention, because that's how you will be able to improve the conversation. Communication is the key in these.
I think that's the way out. And you know, MTV Nishad season 2, when you'll watch it, make sure you watch with your parents or elder ones in your house, right? उससे क्या होगा ना, शायद थोड़ी पूरी तरह से नहीं, but थोड़ी थोड़ी धीरे धीरे करके है ना, baby steps, खुलापन तो आएगा आपके घरों में, आपकी families में. So I think this is going to be a revolutionary step. So do that, right? So Arjun, I have one more question, which is, so now you have to share.
छोटा आंसर दूंगा, I promise.
नहीं, हमें आप दिल खोल के जो आंसर दे रहे हो हमें बहुत अच्छा है. So what do you like? Okay, so this one is, do you have any tips for young people on where they can find more information about sexual health and tips?
What season 2 of Nishad?
Absolutely.
मैं टिप्स देना पसंद नहीं करता, बिकॉज ये सवाल हमारे मीडिया के दोस्त भी कई बार पूछते हैं कि टिप्स क्या देना चाहोगे. आई थिंक बातचीत, आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड बी एडवाइजिंग, आई थिंक आई शुड बी टेलिंग यू ऑल कि जस्ट बी ओपन. ये सारी चीजें के बारे में बात करते रहो. किसी को कुछ बताना हो तो निश्चित सीजन को दिखाई, तो सीजन 1 भी दिखा देगा साथ में, if you want to start a conversation. The point is to start conversation, and there is no tip for that. You have to just sometimes take that chance.
Start the conversation, that is the word. And on that note, thank you very much, Arjun. It was wonderful listening to everybody. A huge round of applause.